Hello everyone! OneDrive is an amazing application within Microsoft 365 that does a lot more than you might realize. Here are 5 tips that can take your OneDrive usage to the next level. Tip number 1 is the Meetings and People view. In your OneDrive application, there are new views that are available, the People and Meetings view. When we select the Meetings view, we're going to see a list of meetings that we were previously on. OneDrive is going to automatically catalog all of your Microsoft Teams meetings files for you. Rather than remembering what happened in a meeting or what files were shared, you can just select one of the meetings. We can see here that we had a meeting all the way back in June, and the meetings view is still saving that meeting for us. Clicking it, a file that was shared is still accessible for me to access. In each meeting that OneDrive catalogs, you'll see the files for that meeting, including the recording file if the meeting was recorded. And I could just click on the recording here to view it, or access other files that were shared during the meeting. Right above the Meetings view, you'll see the People view. This view will show you a list of users that you have shared files with. When you click on a user, you'll see files that they have shared with you from their OneDrive or Teams and even SharePoint sites. This lets you jump into files that you already have access to that they've shared. You no longer have to remember if someone has shared a file with you, as OneDrive is going to save all of that for you automatically within the People view. Tip number 2 is the Quick Access option. Microsoft 365 has so many different ways to store files. You and your colleagues can share files via OneDrive, Teams, and even SharePoint. That's great, but sometimes it can be tough to remember where everything is. Well, OneDrive solves that for you with the Quick Access option. You'll see SharePoint sites and even Microsoft Teams sites listed out here. You can quickly jump to the shared files from any one of those shared locations using one of these options. If you don't see what you're looking for, access the More Places button, and you'll see a list of every single shared location that you can access. When I click on one, you'll be brought to the Documents library, but you can always use the drop-down here to access different libraries that are a part of that workspace, site, or team. So we can use the Quick Access to remember where all of our files are amongst our shared resources. Tip number 3 is adding shortcuts to your OneDrive. When you're working with a SharePoint site or team, you can add links to resources directly to your OneDrive. I'm in a Microsoft Teams channel, and I want quick access to this channel folder from my OneDrive. Within the ribbon, I can just click on the Add Shortcut to OneDrive option. Now, when I go to check out my OneDrive, I can see a link right here. This is just the link to that folder I want to jump quickly back into. When I click on it, I'm brought right back to that folder. This is a shared folder from Teams directly accessible within my OneDrive. You can always enable it and remove it if you no longer require that direct link within your OneDrive files view, and you can do this for SharePoint site folders and Microsoft Teams files. Tip number 4 is saving directly to your OneDrive. When you're working on your desktop applications like Word or Excel or PowerPoint, you can actually save directly to your OneDrive or any cloud location that you have access to. I have an Excel file here and it's not saved anywhere. When you go to File and Save As, you'll see OneDrive and Sites as locations. When I click on my OneDrive option, I can see my full OneDrive here, directly within all my Microsoft applications on my computer. I can access folders within my OneDrive and even create new folders directly within it from my Word or Excel or PowerPoint applications. When I name the file and choose Save, my file is now saved directly into my OneDrive from the Microsoft application. So you're always able to access all of your cloud locations directly from Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and any other Microsoft application that you have installed on your computer. Tip number 5 is OneDrive across Microsoft 365. So these are all great tips and tricks, but we always want to point out that your full OneDrive view is now accessible in Microsoft Teams. In your Teams application, you can always access the Files or OneDrive view within the left-hand navigation, and you'll be able to access your full OneDrive app. All of your views, the Home view, the Files view, the People and Meetings view, and even quick access to everything is available. So you can access your OneDrive on your computer, in the cloud in its own app, and even within Microsoft Teams. We have way more tips and tricks that we know for all the Microsoft applications. If you want more knowledge, check out our guides linked in the description below, or drop us a comment. We hope that you've enjoyed these tips and tricks, available in Microsoft OneDrive.